So you were saying that your granddaughter just got a scholarship?
Yeah, JN scholarship for PEP.
And all of this, you know, they are displaced, nowhere to sleep.
Yeah, but when she sent me to school this morning,
Mm-hmm.
because my mother managed to save her uniform, some of her textbook, not all of them.
So you're appealing to corporate Jamaica for some help.
Yeah, like some boards and something. I don't know what the MP would do to help in a situation like this, but I would appreciate much help.
So what did you hear happen last night? I know you said you got a call. Talk to me what you heard happened.
I was feeding my daughter because I have a daughter who's sick. I was giving her some food, and then I heard my other daughter crying, and she was like crying, and everybody in the house was like crying, and I was because I was in my daughter's room now. You know, I came out and was asking what is the problem, and they said that Aunt Lisi, Aunt Lisi. They said what happened to Aunt Lisi? And I said like Aunt Lisi in the house catch a fire. House catch a fire and she trapped upstairs and then can't find her, she can't come out and everything like that. The gas, cause she have stove and stuff there with her, and everything blow up and whatever. So cause I'm not living here, is my son. I have a son here. Try to kick off the door to go inside, but when he tried to kick off the door to go inside, there were a lot of flames and smoke. The fire pushed him back because the gas cylinder exploded and he fall on his back. And fire truck came. When I came from Montego Bay to here, fire truck was still here. They were trying to still out the blaze, and she was still in the house.
What was this Christmas celebration like? Because we know that Christmas is right around the corner. You know, what did Aunt Lee see? What did she use? What would she look out to? Look
Our
out.
family dinner and family coming to look for her because I was planning on coming to spend the Christmas with her and my other daughter who is sick. And even to know that my daughter who is sick, because she raised my daughter who is sick, was like, I want to go look for mama, I want to go look for mama. I said, Candy, we soon go down there, go look for her, because we plan to go down there. You know, I want to jump through the window last night.
When she heard about the incident?
Yeah.